Alright, everybody. It is Adequate back at it again, boys and girls. Mostly boys, I'm sure, but the ladies are here too. Hello. How are y'all doing today? Hope everybody's doing fantastic. I'm looking for something to prop this up on. Actually, I'm going to show off the little bag first, y'all. I'm going to show off the bag. So, we got our pedals in here. It's a little bit of a mess right now because I have it all plugged in, but I have this strap in the middle that I just like Velcroed my pedals to, and then I'm just like running these cords between them into my audio interface like normal. I have this battery pack plugged into here because the cord wouldn't actually power it directly, so I use the battery pack and then cord into the battery pack to keep that charged, see. And then I got my pedals going, and then yeah, all my shit. So it's pretty cool. But oh, excuse me. I hope y'all can actually see that. I don't know. It's hard to see on my screen because I have like a privacy screen and all that, and also I was just facing it completely away from me. But I'm gonna be playing Sunshine of Your Love, I think it is. And this is gonna be my guitar, my stand for my phone, because I don't have anything else to really use. And this probably is gonna be about the right thickness to prop up the phone, so let's see if that works here. I really need to get a better camera set up. Oh my god. I have my camera in here, but it only records like 20 minutes, and like it really only records up to 2 minutes, and then it starts freaking out. But let me get this plugged into the actual car speaker so y'all can hear it. Little goobers. And then yeah. Also, there's like a shit ton of feedback. Like it'll be alright. That's not even on full volume. These pedals are pretty cool. That's with a hall reverb with like a 25% decay, and then the bright, and I just turn up the level on it a little bit. But fucking back to actually playing, because it's 2.5 minutes in the video and I haven't played a single fucking thing. Jeez, let me swap out my pick. Oh yeah, these are some of the new picks I got. They're like really fucking big, to be honest with y'all. And I just realized I can't swap out my pick because they're under y'all. So we're just gonna rock and roll, boys. Crank this turn up a little bit. Here we go. I like just learned this song like before I turned on the camera pretty much. So still a little fresh on it. I'll give you all a little rundown on it just in case you want to learn the riff yourself as you're watching it. I don't know how many people are watching this that actually play guitar themselves. I'm sure it's like a good majority, because like once I started playing guitar, my feed was just guitar videos, and like especially like smaller creators. So like it's cool that like that's happening, and like I'm that person in someone's feed now. But yeah, no, if you want to play it, so it's going to be on the 3rd fret, so D string. It's going to be the 12th fret of the D string, so it's going to be da, da, and then you're going to drop down 2 to the 10th string, so right there. So it's right, so it's da da, drop down, da, and up, yeah. I don't want to say obviously. I don't know if you've heard this song before. Yeah, most of you probably have. If you're playing guitar, yeah, you've heard this song before. I've heard this song for years, and Also, oh, found out this is not even a full-size guitar. It's a 3/4 size guitar, but it looks like a normal size guitar on me because I'm 3/4 size of a person. So, no, but let's see here. Definitely got to swap out this pick. This one is it a 1 or a 2? It's a 2mm pick. I'm gonna swap it out. It's like actually hurting my hand. Oh, maybe that was it. 1 second. I'm probably gonna cut it there because I don't have too much longer before I go on work, to be completely honest. And I still have to change in my work uniform, which I just got to change into like a dress shirt, which I got right off here to the side. So we just got to throw that on and we're gonna be good to go. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, y'all. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate all the support, and I hope y'all have a fantastic rest of y'all's day. Thank you for watching. Bye.